You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this rather famous football club from Brazil. If you want to learn more Brazilian vocabulary and names from football in particular that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you in Brazilian. Portuguese, Fluminense, Fluminense, Fluminense is the Brazilian, how it's pronounced in Portugal. No, not in Portugal, in Brazil. Brazilian Portuguese in Brazil. Fluminense. If you cannot pronounce Portuguese perfectly, just say it as Fluminense. Yeah, English pronunciation, Fluminense. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.